Hey folks, how you doing? I wanted to make a brief video today about a GE washing machine. The washing machine hasn't been drying the clothes completely, so it still spins and acts normal, but when it's done all the cycles, the clothes just aren't getting dried all the way. And the other symptom we're noticing is actually the dryer is taking like 3 times as long to dry the clothes, to the point that we actually had an electric bill that was 30% higher last month because the clothes were so wet when they went in the dryer, it just took forever. I went online and did some research. I found one remedy, which I'll put below. You may or may not need it, where there's a pipe here sensing when the clothes are dry enough and turning things off. Twice I cleaned out that pipe. But then I figured what I should do is pull the machine out and take a look underneath. And what I wanted to do was, there's 3 bolts here, and remove the pump and just make sure nothing's jammed in the pump that was blocking the pump. While I was under there, there's actually a cover. Like, the machine was still spinning, seemed to be spinning just as fast, so I didn't think there was anything wrong with the belt. But when I took the belt off yesterday, there was grease all over, like something up here was leaking grease onto the belt. Even though the belt was spinning, it was so full of grease that I don't think it was spinning as quickly as it should be. I'm sure there's plenty of other things it could be. The thing that kind of got me yesterday was, when you're fixing things, it's always best to start with the simplest solution first. And I admit the reason I didn't turn the machine over and look at the belt was because the machine is actually up here. It's a pain, basically. As soon as I took the cover off, it was obvious what the problem was, let's put it that way. So I did take, I used something called Simple Green, which is a degreaser to get the grease off. Then I took some alcohol swabs and I ran it along here. And I'm about to put the belt back on. And I just wanted to show you, this is the belt, which may be okay. I cleaned it off. There was some fraying on the belt, and I just figure as long as we're under, we'll put a new one in. This is the replacement belt for my machine. So just pause the video if you want to get a part number. Hopefully you're seeing that. It's WHO1X27538. And with these washing machines, like, one part number is going to fit several of the same brand, and that part number may fit other brands as well. And if you're looking for the model of your washing machine, just so you know, this is it right here on the back. My machine is a GTW 335 ASN1WW. There's a cover here, so take a picture before you take the cover off and make sure you put things back on the way they go. There are self-threading screws that hold this on. So there's one at the top, one here, and then there's one down below here as well. You can't screw up how you put things back on with the self-tapping screws, but there is a ground on top. So make sure you get this ground back on top before you put that back on. Definitely make sure you unplug your machine before you start working on it. You're gonna have to take the 2 hoses off, and then you're also gonna have your drain hose back there, so be careful. I know when I was pulling mine out, you don't really realize the drain hose is back there. Just take your time, put some towels on the floor to protect your floor. I am gonna put all this back together now, and we'll come back in a few days, and hopefully we can just confirm that this is all it was. Wow, that is tight. Hey folks, it's been a little over a year since I filmed the piece about changing the belt on your washing machine if your towels aren't getting dry. And I just want to say I've had no issues since. And I also just want to kind of zoom in here and show you folks, this is how the washing machine looks if the belt is working correctly. The clothes are pushed to the outside of the drum. You see how there's no clothes in the middle, and also notice that they're dry. They're not dripping water. Hopefully you're seeing that. You know, there's no dripping water coming off of the towels here when we take them out of the laundry machine. So if your towels don't look like this when you take them out, I'm not saying the problem is the belt, but I'm saying if you're somewhat handy, take a look at the belt before you call somebody else, and you may be able to save yourself some money. Take care, folks.